Hello everyone, myself Salma Banu, Assistant Professor of Sociology. Today I am presenting on First BA Paper 1 Fundamentals of Sociology. The first unit of this semester is about what sociology is all about. Let us start with session 1, an introduction to sociology. With this session, you will be able to obtain an overview of the discipline sociology to gain the sociological knowledge and develop an ability to think critically about the social world. And dear students, you will be able to demonstrate the sociological knowledge and understanding the social reality. As it has rightly been said by Aristotle, the famous Greek philosopher, man is a social animal. Both his nature and necessity compels him to live in society. We cannot think of a man without society and society without a man. Throughout the ages, since time immemorial, man has been living in society, but he started very late to take an interest in studying his own society and about himself. In order to survive and live in society, human beings have to interact with other human beings. Man's behavior has been greatly influenced and determined by the social forces. In order to understand these aspects, to carry out the different aspects of society which has given rise to different social sciences like economics, history, political science, psychology and other disciplines. In the series of these developments, various social sciences have emerged and sociology has developed as a discipline after a long time. Sociology has a long past but a short history. It has emerged as a modern social science in the 18th and the 19th century in Europe. Sociology emerged as a separate discipline in the 19th century. It has originated and influenced by the twin revolutions of England and France, the Industrial Revolution and the French Revolution. Various other sociologists have shaped the direction of the discipline, in which the contributions of Saint Simon, Auguste Comte, Herbert Spencer, Emile Durkheim, Max Weber, it can be Karl Marx also, who have defined and developed sociology as a science and discipline, contributing to the theories and the concepts which have been understood in the field till today. Let us proceed with the concept of sociology. The word sociology has been coined by Auguste Comte, a French philosopher who has rightly been called as the father of sociology. The word sociology has been derived from the Latin word socius, which means companion or society, and the Greek word logos, which means to study or science. Thus, we can call sociology as a scientific study of human society and social interaction. It is a systematic study of the patterned social relations, social interactions, which have the empirical investigations and a critical analysis. Another question which comes to our mind is why to study sociology? Sociology gives a new perspective on ourselves. It gives us a perspective of the world around us. It is called it as sociological perspectives. By adopting these sociological perspectives, we can look beyond the commonly held beliefs to determine the hidden meanings behind our actions. These sociological perspectives help us to understand that people's behavior is influenced by various social factors around us. The sociological perspectives help us to view the world through the eyes of others. There are various social sciences such as history, economics, it can be political science, or psychology, it can be anthropology also. All these forms to be a branches of different social sciences. So what is science? We can call science as a body of systematically arranged knowledge that shows the operations of general laws. Among these various social sciences, sociology is also a science which employs a scientific discipline. All the branches of study, whether it is a natural science or a social science, they all follow the scientific method. The scientific methods which involves with the beginning of the various questions of why, how, when, where, all these questions is with the beginning of the scientific investigation. Later, the review of literature and the formulation of a hypothesis, choosing a research design, gathering the data, and analysis of data. These are all the various stages which are involved in a scientific study. Sociology as a science. Sociology as a science and a distinct field of study is of very recent origin since 1839. It is the youngest social sciences. It is the history of social life with its complexities and problems. It is as old as human beings. Various philosophers, scholars, writers have all made an attempt in their way to understand the social life, society, various social problems, and also provide a solution to these problems. No doubt, sociology has emerged as a separate discipline, and today we can able to understand how our social actions, how the social system, and how our surroundings affect us. It is during this period that the human behavior, human relations in a society have started with looking from a sociological perspective. Sociology as a science with its own subject matter, social life as a whole, deals with more general principles underlying the social phenomena. Social phenomena has been the subject matter of sociology. According to Auguste Comte, sociology is a study of social phenomena. The basic social phenomena has been a unit for sociological analysis which has been commonly identified as an interaction between two or more human beings. Where there is an interaction, the participants are said to be in a social relationship. These human interaction and interrelationship becomes the subject matter of sociology. So here the main unit for the sociological analysis is interaction and interrelationships among the individuals in a society. Social sciences have been a related disciplines which studies the various aspects of human behavior. Despite the various focus of the study, they are all related in terms of the study of human beings. Take for an example, economics, which look into the economic activities of a production, distribution, consumption, or it can be the political science, which focus on the political aspects of the state, a political party, other political field of study. As such, whether it is a past or the present, each and every branch of social science has been related into the study of human behavior, whether it is in the economic sphere or it is in the political field or it is in a sociological perspective. Many sociologists have borrowed freely from other social sciences in an effort to understand the social forces which has helped us to shape our lives. When we look into the origin of sociology, sociology as a distinct discipline has emerged in the middle of the 19th century. Three factors have led to the contribution of sociology. It is the Industrial Revolution, the French Revolution, and the success of the natural sciences, which has inspired the founding fathers of sociology to give a name of sociology, and they have contributed immensely in its development. Thus, sociology can be called as the study of society, the science of social life. It is a study of social facts. It is the study of human behavior in group. It is a study of the forms of social relationships. It is a study of social action as it has been identified by Max Weber. Sociology is a study of social groups and the social system. So here we can conclude that sociology is a study of social relationship and social institution. It offers a distinctive and enlightening way of seeing and understanding the social world. With this session, you will be able to gain the sociological knowledge and to think critically about how social life has existed. You will be able to come to a broader learning outcome that it has exhibited a knowledge of the overall discipline of sociology. It has helped us to understand the application and the conceptual framework of the sociological knowledge. It has developed a learning in the context with the empirical knowledge and the social facts. Sociology will acquaint you with the sociological perspective of the world around us. These are all the some of the references which has been for your further readings. Thank you.